Hello all, this is Dr. Ambika and I welcome you all to my channel Health and Fitness with Dr. Ambika. The second wave of corona has wreaked havoc in our country, making it important for the people to follow all the behavioral protocols which can prevent the disease to spread further. And one such protocol is wearing mask. So here are the basics of how to wear a mask. First, clean your hands before you put your mask on, as well as before and after you take it off, and after you touch it anytime. Second, make sure it covers both your nose, mouth and chin. Third, when you take off a mask, store it in a clean plastic bag and every day either wash it if it's a fabric mask, or if it's a medical mask, then dispose of in a trash bin. Last, fourth point, don't use masks with valves. Why should people wear masks? Masks are a key measure to suppress transmissions and save lives. How do I choose what mask to buy? So, while choosing a mask, check for filtration, breathability and fit. It should be held in place comfortably with little adjustment using elastic bands or ties. Also, find the one that fits closely your nose, cheeks and chin. Also, masks with vents or exhalation valves are not advised because they allow unfiltered breath to escape the mask. How to put on and wear a mask? Before touching the mask, clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub. Inspect the mask for tears or holes. Do not use a mask that is damaged. Adjust the mask to cover your mouth, your nose and chin, leaving no gaps on the sides. Place the straps behind your head, ears. Avoid touching the mask while wearing it. If you touch it, clean your hands. Does the use of masks with exhalation valves prevent transmission of COVID-19? No. World Health Organization does not advise using masks or respirators with exhalation valves. These masks are intended for industrial workers to prevent dust and particles from being breathed in as the valve closes on inhale. However, the valve opens on exhale, making it easier to breathe, but also allowing any virus to pass through the valve opening. This makes the mask ineffective at preventing the spread of COVID-19 or any other respiratory virus. Make sure to clean your hands before touching your mask. Make sure you have your own mask and do not share it with others. Resist the temptation to pull down your mask to your chin or take it off when speaking to others. Do not store your mask around your arm or wrist or pull it down to rest around your chin or neck. Instead, store it in a clean plastic bag. Masks can help to prevent the spread of COVID-19. More people wearing masks, the better it is. Thank you.